It's been a little over 2 months now since we picked up the 66 Hatchet Coronet. We've changed the wheels, rebuilt the rear end. It was chunked from the show, probably from the massive burnouts. Added a new motor. It's only a 318, but it is a roller motor, so it does have some good sound to it. Added the battery and a custom roadkill style hold down. Probably the biggest thing that we've done so far is rewire the entire car. No more chewed up electrical. Added additional cooling fans and a controller. Did remove the washer pump because it looked horrible. Not that the car looks great, but it runs good. And that's just one less thing that I have to pull off to put a new one back on. We added a sway bar, front lower control arms, boxed the lower control arms using Chris Birdsong's boxing plates, added some QA1 goodness, upper control arm. Suspension's now completely rebuilt. Used Moog parts on everything. All the headlights, turn signals, tail lights have all been rewired. Interior's been completely rewired as well. Added a trunk lock. Still need to do the body work on the trunk lid itself. Somebody used a pry bar to try and get it open, so you can kind of see the side doesn't have that smooth flow. It kicks up in the tail. They also gouged the trunk rails, but we managed to get that taken care of. Dual exhaust all the way out the back now. Not the prettiest exhaust, but it's functional. Added the Caltrax plates and the Caltrax front, as well as an Adco sway bar. Picture of the Caltrax. Still waiting on the main bars for the Caltrax. Unfortunately, the ones that I had were about 2 inches too short. Luckily, Caltrax being the great company it is, they also sell replacements. Rear door pads off of a 67 Coronet that I have sitting around, 4-door. I like the idea of the ashtray, even though I don't smoke in my cars. Did add a new carpet kit, new front seats, the Procar Scats. Cleaned up the dash, painted where we could, added a retro sound stereo for all those good tunes, wired in the lights for all the gauges, cleaned up the rear seats. There was a huge nest in the back. Took out about 3 contractor trash bags full of mouse poop, which was super nice. Now for the fun part. We did add a key. But for a car show that we have coming up, we left the identifiable Roadworthy Rescues pieces. Smooth running, doesn't run hot. Like I said, just a very mild cam. We have the Proform ignition in there and a single wire alternator. So as you can see on the firewall, we have all that junk removed. One thing with the ProForm electronic distributors, I always carry an extra module for those, as they are known to go bad, and that is not something you want to keep you stuck on the side of the road. Still need some door panels and a whole lot of cleanup, but she's coming along. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and enjoy.